Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our second PU Computer Science online classes. Now, today I am going to start the new chapter, the chapter 2, name of the chapter Boolean Algebra. And in our Boolean Algebra, now we are going to learn some important gates. Before going to learn all those gates, the gate are NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, and also some principle or the duality of principle or principle of duality, some of the Boolean postulates, K-map. So everything we are going to discuss in this chapter. So now the first main point of this chapter, first thing is what is Boolean algebra and what's the value going to join in our Boolean algebra and which value we are going to take in our Boolean algebra. So first of all, I am going to start the meaning or the introduction we can say as about our Boolean algebra. So the Boolean algebra means the algebra which deals with the binary number system called as Boolean algebra. Now what about the binary number system values? The binary number system values are 0 and 1 and the 0 value is also called as the false, 1 is called as the true. So the meaning of Boolean algebra, meaning the algebra which deals with the binary number system is called as our Boolean algebra. And now let's some of the introduction in our Boolean algebra. So first of all, we have seen that the computer normally gives binary number system to work, correct no? Why? Because nowadays maybe you want to work anything in computer, our computer understand only 2-digit value or the binary digits value or bit value, the values are 0 and 1. So nowadays the computer normally gives binary number system to work. And later some of the development, for further development, the scientists are wanted to upgrade the working of the computer. So what are the development they want to do by using the computers? So the scientists wanted to upgrade some development or they want to produce the conventional high performing computers. That means whatever the work is there, they want to perform by using computer. Maybe in case they want to solve any NOT gate, any circuit gate, maybe any K-map, anything they want to solve by using our computer. So all are the development they want to build by using our computer. So first thing is the development to produce the conventional high performing computers, and also some other development they want to solve the algebra, the Boolean algebra logics by using computer. But also the scientists wanted to upgrade the working of the computer, but laterwards they faced some of the problems. That means they mainly faced a problem of binary algebra logic, the solution of the binary algebra logics. But after some of the work or some development and after the improvement, the scientist, the name of the scientist is the George Boole, successfully developed a solution for this problem. The solution is they can solve all those any algebra logic problem by using the computer. So the George Boole successfully developed solution for this problem using his own mathematical system of the logic. By using some of the mathematical concept he solved all those problems, and At the year 1854, the Boole successfully developed his own revolutionary paper. The paper name is An Investigation of the Laws of the Thought. Okay, so an investigation of laws of the thought was published in year 1854 here. Okay, so which led to the development of the new system, or we can say further development. This algebra of logic is called as the Boolean algebra in starting step. While developing some of the concept, first of all they provided the name to such logic as the algebra of the logic or binary algebra of the logic. But after the development, after getting the solution, they just changed or renamed to the name is called as the Boolean algebra. Now the Boolean algebra or Boolean equations are of only two possible values. The two possible values are 0 and 1. Okay, so the 0, that is also called as false, it is the false value, and 1, it is called as the true value. So the binary or the Boolean algebra values or the binary equation value or the Boolean equation values are, one is the 0 and second one is called as the 1. So the 0 value is also called as our false value, and 1 is called as the true value. So we can say that means they have the two possible or the possibility of the values. The values are 0 and 1. And in this case we can say that, now what's the meaning about our logical statement? So the logical statement, the one example we can take for our logical statement, x not y or z. One example, or it is called as the sentences or logical expressions. Why? Because now I am going to tell about what is logical statement. Okay, kya? Or the truth functions. So one example we can use x not y or z, or the second example y and x or z. So it is one example for the logical expression, or we can say about our sentences or the logical statement. So the sentences which can be calculated to be true or false. The sentences which can be calculated or determined to be true or false are called logical statement and also called as the truth functions. Now what about the truth values? So we can say that the truth value means the result, maybe it is a true or false, are called as the or is called as the truth values. Clear this point here? What about our logical statement? The logical statement means maybe any kind of the sentences. So one example you can use for these sentences. This sentence is the x not y or z. It is one example for the logical expression, logical statement or the truth functions. So the sentence which can be calculated to be true or can be calculated to be false are called as the logical statement and also called as the truth function. Now what do you mean by a truth values? The result, maybe the result is true or false, such one is called as the truth values. So clear this point here? Now just whatever I started, it is just only the introduction for our Boolean algebra. Why? Because in starting step such Boolean algebra is called as our binary algebra of the logics here, but later words they changed the name to the Boolean algebra. And who developed? Why? Because the George Boole successfully developed the solution to the concept of our Boolean algebra, and in our Boolean algebra only two possible values are going to use. The values are false and true. False value is equal to 0 and true value is equal to 1. Clear this point here? So this is most important thing in our Boolean algebra. Now let's the next thing about our logical statements. So what about the logical statement, or we can say as the truth functions, and also we can say about our compound statements, and how we are going to combine such logical statement. So here we can say that the truth functions are combined with the help of logical operators. We know that the logical operators are and, not, or, and such sentences or the truth functions are going to combine, are going to join with the help of logical operators are called as, or we are going to form by using the logical operators. All those truth functions are called as the logical statement or the compound statements. And these logical operators are also used to combine some of the logical variables as well as the constants. That means logical variables x, here logical variables are x, y, z, okay, and logical operators are not, or. So we can say that truth function means the truth functions are combined with the help of logical operators. So whatever the logical variables are there, I am going to combine by using some of the our logical operators that are not and or. So such logical operators are also used to combine the logical variables as well as the constant. We can use the number also, we can combine the number also by using such logical operator. Now let's, by using one example, we are going to explain about our logical statement. In this example, some of the logical variables are there, or assume we can say x, y, z are the logical variables or the statements, correct no? And the logical expression, how we are going to build the logical expression. The logical expression we can build as x, not, y or z, okay? The x, not, y or z, or the second example y and x or z, or another example if you want you can use x or y not z. So clear the meaning about our logical statement and the compound statement. Why? Because we can say here the truth functions are combined with the help of logical operators, okay, and we using such logical operator to form some of the sentences. So assume in this case x, y, z are the logical variable, logical statements, not and or are the logical operators. So these logical operators are also used to combine the logical variables and the constant. And after completing some of the logical statement and compound statement, now let's very important question about our logical operators. So before going to tell the logical operator explanation, why because some of the operator going to join in logical operators are not operator, and operator or operator. Before that, let's select the next important concept, that is the truth table. So what do you mean by a truth table? So truth table is the table and which represent all the possible value of the logical variables. So logical variable example are the x and y. So truth table is the table. It is a table. Why? Because some columns, some rows are there. Is the table and which represent all the possible value of logical variables or the statement along with possible result for a given combination of the values. Why? Because in this example, while going to tell the explanation about our truth table, I selected the truth table is the AND gate truth table. Why? Because many are there, NOT gate truth table is there, OR gate truth table is there, you can select anyone, but in this example I selected the AND gate truth table. And we can use two or three variables also. How we are using three variables? X, Y, Z or A, B, C. And after using the variables, we are going to find out the result for the table. So how I got the result? Why? Because I selected the value. I already said the Boolean algebra. Only two possible values are going to use. The values are 0 and 1 only. No any other value going to use in our Boolean algebra. So the values 0 and Y value 0. Next X 0, Y is the 1. Next X 1, Y value is the 0. Next X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1. And after getting the value, after using the value for the X and Y, we need to give some value for the result. How we got the result value? So the result value we can say in our AND operator, such a result value going to use by using the multiplication, logical multiplication. So 0, 0, the value is the 0. Next one 0, 1. So when you are going to multiply 0 into 1, always the value is 0. Next one is the next value of the X is 1, and when you are going to multiply with the 0, always the value is 0. 1 into 0, value is 0, and we are going to multiply 1 into 1. So 1 into 1, so always the value is the 1. So like that we need to, or we are getting the value of the truth table. So this is the truth table, and that is suitable to our AND operator. So clear the point of the truth table. So we can say that the truth table is the table which represent all the possible value of logical statement, logical variable. So X and Y are called as the logical variable or the logical statement, along with all the possible result for a given combination of the value. Depend on the combination of the value, will get the result of the truth table. Okay. Now, or we can say in this example, the X and Y are the logical variables, logical statement, and R is called as the result. Okay, call as the result. And after completing the concept about our truth table, now let's next thing about our tautology and falsy. So tautology, T-A-U-T-O-L-O-G-Y, tautology. So what do you mean by a tautology? So we can say if any result of logical statement, the logical statement X and Y are the logical statement, logical variables, and this is the result. So the result of any logical statement or logical variable is always true, that is equal to 1. Always true, that is equal to 1, it is called as the tautology. Clear this point here? So in this case, the true result, that is the 1, and these are the false result. 0, 0, 0 are the false result. Wherever we will get 1, that is called as the true result. So what do you mean by a tautology? That means we can say the result of any logical statement or logical variable is always true, that is equal to 1. It is called as the tautology. Now the meaning of the falsy, F-A-L-L-A-C-Y, the meaning of the falsy. So we can say the result of any logical statement or the logical variable is always false, that is equal to 0, is always false, that is equal to 0, is called as the falsy. Clear this point here? What about the meaning of the tautology? Whenever the result is always true, or when the result is always true, that is called as the our tautology. If the result of any logical statement or the variable is always false, that is equal to 0, it is called as the falsy. Correct, no? Thank you.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.